Hi guys, welcome to Nubia. Today I will unboxing latest unique phone Nubia Z50s Pro. 1 TB storage, 12 GB RAM memory, 5G internet. This one is never available in all UAE, just available in Nubia Mobile. Let's go for unboxing. And I think this phone is crazy. Maybe I love this phone. Wow. It is so beautiful and very good. Maybe I will use this for myself. Wow. This is a phone. Wow. The back cover is leather. Let's go for okay, leave it this. Let's go check inside, and after we will open the phone and you will be see the camera resolution. This is the silicone cover original. You can see beautiful and nice cover, and this one is inside original type C cable, and this is very hard cable. And let's go inside have original adapter from the Nubia company, and we will check how many watt. That's 225 watt charger. Is very strong, very hard charger. It will be from 0 to 100 only needs 10 minutes time. And let's go for the phone. This is the SIM jack card, type C charger, speaker, and this is the front side camera. This is upside speaker, mic, and also is TV remote control, TV, AC. You can connect with them. It's very easy. And this is another side. Also, and this button seem like iPhone for silent type. And this is the camera. The camera is ultra sensor and video vision, and also this is the leader, and this is the glass. I think it's so beautiful phone. But this phone available only in Nubia Mobile. If you want to buy this phone, you can contact me in my WhatsApp number, and also in my TikTok and YouTube. You can give me comments and all. If you have any idea, you can share with me. And let's go for the about the phone. This is my OS 13. That's the software version. 12 GB RAM memory and 1 TB storage. You can see inside the serial number and all, build number, screen, all you can see. And let's go for the camera. I think this camera is crazy. Wow. No, I am not allowed now. Enable. It's okay. You will see the camera so beautiful. This is how all mode, pro mode, straight, video, night mode, portrait mode, all modes have. You can see this is me. Wow. I love this phone. Maybe I will use this for myself. If you need also like this mobile, contact me in WhatsApp. We will give very good price. But this is right now prices for 1 TB storage only 3,199 dirham in this date. Maybe in future price will be go down and release. Okay. Thank you so much for the video, and you will watch to end and subscribe our channel, and see you soon. Everyone, change your life with Nubia Mobile. Bye bye.